Okay, now, open her mouth and close. Okay. Now, I'm going to talk for her. You're just going to move her mouth. Okay? I'm going to ask her some questions, and you're going to open and close her mouth. Okay? What's your name again? Cameron. So Cameron's going to be the star. Now, I'm going to step down here, and hopefully the microphone's going to work when I'm over here. Okay. Nikki Monkey, how are you doing?
I can't breathe.
Nikki, look at me.
Ow.
Okay, Nikki, are you okay now?
Wow, look at the lights.
Okay, Nikki.
Ow, my foot hurts. I'm going blind. I can't see, and my foot hurts.
Nikki, you want to sing a song? Oh, there you are. There. Okay, you want to sing a song?
Yes, I would like to sing a song.
Okay. You want to sing Row, Row Your Boat?
I can't breathe. She's squishing me.
Okay. Yeah, just hold her a little looser so she can breathe. There you go. Okay.
Wow, look at the lights.
Okay, Nikki, sing Row, Row Your Boat.
Row, row, row your boat. Yeah, that, oh, lights.